When I was in high school and early college, Southern Pacific is who I worked for, used summer help. So we would work on, for summers, through the summer. So I'd already worked on the railroad, so when they said they're hiring, I said, I'll go down there and they'll give me something to do until I figure out what I'm going to do. Here it is 50 years later, I guess I figured out, which has been a good job. It's raised family, it's done pretty well for me. You just have to learn that the lifestyle is different. It's a whole different world than any other job you would have. And you know, you think that, well, I don't feel like working today, but it does make a big difference on everybody else. People ahead of you, when you're working boards and stuff, expect you to work, you know, because when you don't work, that puts extra people working more and more. You make some really close friends, some of them that you spend a lot of time with. Well, I know them good, I respect them. You respect what they can do. I mean, when I get called with certain conductors, because I'm an engineer, you know that you're really gonna have a nice evening because they're pleasant to work with. My health is good, so I plan on continuing for a while.